you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look busted, but it's all for good reason. It is 8:14 p.m. and I just woke up from my nap, and I had a package shipped today, and guess who it's from? Wholesale Supplies Plus. I won't be doing a haul on it just because it's not enough stuff, or actually I could do a little haul right now. This is just the receipt. Y'all need to see that. First thing we got here is some xanthan gum. Xanthan gum makes your products thicker. I got this just in case my face mask wasn't thick enough or my cleansers weren't thick enough. So yeah, and I got 1 pound. Next thing I have is some emulsifying wax. This is just the traditional emulsifying wax. I also got 1 pound of this. The next thing I got were 2 extracts. I got the botanical extract blend 2 and botanical extract 1. One is water soluble and one is oil soluble, and I plan on putting these in my face masks, in my cleansers, and all types of stuff. And it's a blend of different extracts. It's gonna add a whole bunch of skin benefits to my products. So yeah, this is glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It's a product that helps to draw moisture, and I also got 1 pound of this. Then the next thing I got is 4 bags of these bottle tops, because with these tops they don't come in a pack of 48 like the jars do. I think they just come in a pack of 12, so I ordered 4 packs, and the size of these are 20×10. And here are my bottles. I got 48 4-ounce bottles. These are for my cleansers, and they just look like this. They look tiny, but in hindsight it still is a lot of product, especially because my products are going to be super affordable. I plan on not making anything more than $15. These are plastic PET bottles. I've told you about PET bottles before and how essential they are. So that's pretty much all I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Alright, so I showed you guys the products that I got. The products that I'm making right now is specifically the samples for me to try, and whatever's left over I'll probably give to my family to try. Alright, so right now I am writing out my recipe really quickly, just so that I know like exactly what to do and I won't have to, you know, keep picking up my phone every couple seconds. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right now, let's go ahead and go to the kitchen. Of course, when I'm making you guys this product, I will be wearing a hairnet, apron, gloves, the whole shebang.
Not to mention your perfect body elegance, the way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy, angel boy. Not to mention your perfect body. Girl, what did you just do? Stay the line with the time. It calls me. Abby, you just got that. The word?
I don't know, about to find out after I dry it off. I'm not gonna turn this thing on and it and then I'm dead. No way. I hope the insides was sealed off. Oh god, girl, no, it's an opening on the bottom.
Dang.
I'm scared to turn it on. What if it just... Are we good? In my last video of me making the body butter, it didn't come out the consistency I wanted to. I want it to be a really flowy body butter. I'll put like a video or a picture so y'all can see like the texture I'm going for. The one I have came out really whipped, and I'm going for really creamy. Not only that, but since I put a lot of cocoa butter in the last recipe, it smells heavily of like cocoa butter, chocolatey smell, and I don't like that at all. I don't mind the scent of chocolate, but I just don't want it to be in my body butter, if that makes sense. So I'm not gonna use the cocoa butter this time. I'm gonna try just shea butter, but I'm not gonna try the same shea butter that I used last time. I'm gonna try the shea butter from Bulk Apothecary, which is the naturally refined version of it, and I'm only gonna make enough for one jar so that I'm not just wasting a whole bunch of product. I just popped it in the microwave for a few seconds. Since I'm just making this for me, I'm not gonna go ahead with the whole stovetop process. I'm gonna let this cool down in the freezer for maybe 15 minutes max. Alright, so not even a full 15 minutes later, and the top was frozen over. So I'm just gonna go ahead. You guys see that? Just go both sides down.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.